Hello, I'm Martin Lewis from Branson Tractors, and I'm going to walk you through today the BH150 Branson Backhoe for the F-Series tractors. This is a new range of backhoes that we've come out with recently, all chassis mounted, so you don't have the problems of rocking around and instability that you can get with 3-point linkage mounted versions. So I'm just going to walk you through it now. Now the backhoe is plumbed into the actual tractor hydraulics itself, yeah? So it doesn't run off a PTO, so you don't need to touch the PTO. It's all connected in line with all the systems on the tractor, and we'll go through that in a minute and how you take it off, etc. But basically the first thing is obviously you drive to where you want to dig a hole, start your tractor, and you can just climb on the machine. There's two climbing on points, either at the front or at the rear. First thing to do is to put your feet down. And you want to put your feet down so the wheels are not off the ground, but they're just sort of lightly on the ground. Also, remember to put your handbrake on. Have the bucket just on the ground. Now on the machine here, we've got a couple of features. There's a Slew pivot lock, so we need to remove that. That will allow you to slew the machine, but you can lock it either in the centre position or over one side. Now it's in the centre, there's also a boom lock, so you can take that pin out. There's a handy little storage place for it here. There's also, on the side of the machine, a couple of locks for the actual legs as well. So when they come up in the air, you can lock those up so that they don't fall down over time. So I'd already taken those off. Now we're on the machine. Got a nice hand guard around here to protect yourself from hitting the levers. And the seat has some adjustment, so you can take the seat forwards and backwards until you get a comfortable position for using the backhoe. So now we've got our feet on the ground, normal backhoe controls, and you can see I haven't put a PTO on or anything else. Purely running off the tractor itself, which doesn't matter because you're only using the tractor, the backhoe for your operations anyway. And you can see at this sort of speed, it's quite easily controllable. But you can hear the tractor's running a tick over. We just up the revs a little bit. Probably about where you want to be. We've still got noise control. Imagine digging a hole. Maybe looking the soil over this side. Like that to get the soil out. That's the operation of the BH150. Again, when we close it off, we just fold it up, fold the legs up, and then get off the machine. Imagine digging a trench or something, dead easy to do, PTO's not on or off, you'll just go away again straight away, and dig your next section of the trench. That's it.